here, I hear. That's the whisper from the room. We're also seeing the dollar sell off, although less than before, 108.12. Just to reset, we are about to hear from Fed Chair Jay Powell after they did not raise rates for the first time in 15 months after 10 consecutive meetings of rate hikes. Now, they are not hiking, but they are indicating they are going to hike at least twice more before the end of this year. Their work is not done. That was very clear in
tightening. Today, we decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue to reduce our securities holdings. Looking ahead, nearly all committee participants view it as likely that some further rate increases will be appropriate this year to bring inflation down to 2% over time.
So hello guys, if you have seen in the video, right, we have been speaking about, right, one last push to the downside even for HBAR. Currently, we have seen the Fed in the United States say, right, that we should be expecting even 2 more rate hikes, right, down coming in the year. And as you can see, the markets did not take that well. And as you see, we have seen a pull to the downside even for HBAR. Remember in our video yesterday, we have been saying that we should be expecting furthermore push to the downside even for HBAR, and as you can see, we are steadily pushing right down into that level. And another thing we said, we're on the hashgraph versus the USD dollar chart. This is Binance, it's the data source. We have been saying, right, prices need to come back to fill this week, right, because the way the charts work, right, is when we have this kind of wicks, right, prices usually go back up, come down to fill the wicks, right, before we could see any form of upside. As you can see, prices is pushing down, right, to come fill this week before we could see any other push right to the upside. If we look at some of the indicators that we were looking at, as you can see, we had this little bullish divergence right down here on the stochastic, right, which is a strength index. But as you can see, right, we have seen a huge push to the downside, which is forming some sort of bearish divergence. Same thing we are seeing on the money flow. Huge taking of profit on HBAR happened here, which is pushing us right back down even to the downside. So that is what we should be expecting for the price of HBAR at the moment, right? One last push to recover this week, right, on the daily before we could see any form of reversal even for the price of HBAR. So that is what we're expecting. As you can see, all the indicators in confluence that we should be expecting one more push to the downside. So that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.